By now, we have probably all heard this clip when we start researching wavy curly hair.
Okay, let me rephrase because all the wavy-headed girls in my comments are offended. If your hair is not curly while wet, you don't have curly hair.
And I'm having some more thoughts about it. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and here we like to talk all things wavy curly hair, improving your hair health, and embracing the hair that you are fearfully and wonderfully made with. There is a little bit of gatekeeping in the curly hair community wherein people with tighter curl patterns feel the deep urge to tell people with looser curl patterns that they don't actually have curly hair and they have no business styling and wearing their hair curly. Also, people with looser curl patterns get the deep, lovely privilege of being the before photo. You know, the one that brands use that show how bad the hair looked before whatever magical product they are selling. And then the after photo is the sleek, smooth, perfectly straight, perfectly shiny, perfectly polished hair. Now, while there are immense struggles with people with tighter curl patterns that I don't even pretend to understand the struggle of, what I would like to talk about and ask and pose the question is, okay, great. My hair's not perfectly curly when it's wet, but when it dries, I have to reach for the flat iron in order for it to be straight. What's your solution then? Unfortunately, the people who are telling me that my hair is not curly because it's not curly when it's wet do not offer any solutions to the conundrum of, well, my hair's not straight either, so what should I do? That is where I am hoping to step in and just fill a gap that I'm seeing, because the majority of humans on this planet have some type of curl pattern. Yes, I am including wavies when I say curl, because on the curl type chart, you have 2A, 2B, and 2C. They are included. They are waves. Waves are included in the curl type chart and are therefore a type of curl. If we need to create a whole separate category just for wavies because wavies and curlies cannot mix, they cannot be friends, that will be for the internets to decide. But as of right now, they are included on the same chart, and that is why I am here. I am just trying to fill in a gap that I am seeing, because it is incredibly rare to have perfectly straight hair. I said it, it's rare. I understand that the majority of what we see in the media is of ladies and beautiful women with luscious long locks that have been flat ironed into submission. So it is easy to assume there's this perception that straight hair is the norm, is the common thing. However, for someone to wash and condition their hair, towel it dry, brush it out, and let it air dry and dry completely straight is insanely rare. Turns out that the curly hair gene is the dominant gene. It covers up the recessive straight hair trait more often than not. This means that the majority of the population has some type of curl, whether it's a tighter curl or a looser curl in the form of a wave. But the thing about wavy hair is that it is very easy to straighten. It doesn't require as much heat, as much intentionality in order to get that same look. So wavy hair often gets mistaken as bad frizzy hair, when in all reality, it is a misunderstood, underrepresented curl type. Again, that is why I am here. I am here to say that you do not have bad hair if it doesn't air dry straight. If you don't think you have curly hair, but your hair is really frizzy and really floofy and dries with the odd bend and kink in it, certain sections are completely straight while others have odd waves in it, guess what? You got the wavy hair. And with the right styling techniques, it can appear just as polished, just as sleek as the after photos that we are sold in the media, while also embracing the natural curl pattern that you are fearfully and wonderfully made with. This is what my hair looks like when it is styled. It's a loose curl pattern. All I did today was scrunch some mousse in my hair, take a towel and gently squeeze out the excess product and water and diffuse it, and this is what it did. Now, for the past 5 years, I have been really diligent in learning about my hair and improving the health of my hair, which brings us to the sponsor of this portion of today's video. Great Lakes Wellness Collagen. I have noticed that since I've started incorporating a collagen supplement into my daily routine, that my hair, skin, and nails have really improved. Studies have shown that incorporating collagen into your daily routine can result in healthier, stronger looking nails. Great Lakes Wellness Collagen is unique because it has no taste and no odor, and a cool dissolve technology, which makes it dissolve completely into any hot or cold liquid. I personally love adding it to my coffee, and guys, I have tried a lot of different collagen supplements in the past, and they all taste weird and they all dissolve lumpy. This is the first one I have ever tried that has no taste, no odor, and dissolves completely. I enjoy sipping on my collagen coffee while letting my hair finish air drying in the cast. This product is certified paleo friendly and kosher and is made here in the US, which is really cool. Make sure to check out the links in the description for Great Lakes Wellness. I really like having collagen in my routine. It makes my hair grow stronger and better, and my nails and my skin thank me. And this one has no bad taste, no odor, truly is flavorless, really high quality product, and I appreciate them being willing to sponsor this portion of today's video. Now, some other things that will improve the health of anybody's hair are to sleep on a silk pillowcase. If you aren't doing this already, please pause the video, just go right now on the internet somewhere. I'll link some in the description too if that is helpful to you. But go get you a silk pillowcase. This is a non-consumable product that you purchase one time, and it will not only improve the health of your hair, but also your skin. We spend, if you're being good, 8 hours in contact with a cotton pillowcase. And while it doesn't seem like much, the friction between your hair and that cotton over time will lift up your hair cuticle and cause some damage. It may just be very minimal. Over time, that small amount of friction does make a big, big difference. When I switched to a silk pillowcase, I'm not gonna lie, I was really resistant to it. I was so stubborn. I thought that was the bougiest thing you could possibly do. There are so many options out there now in this day and age that they fit just about every budget, and it is something that you could do. If you have hair, if you have skin, get you a satin or silk pillowcase. Another thing that will immediately begin improving the health of your hair, and it's just something that you buy one time, is a microfiber towel. Now, there are several options that I personally really, really love, but please, 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 please do not go get the microfiber towel from the car section at the Walmart. Those microfiber towels, they're clinging to your hands and it feels like Velcro on your hands. Imagine what that's going to do to every tiny little lifted portion of your hair cuticle. You want to get a microfiber towel that has no loops and is very, very smooth. This is another thing that seemed extra, that seemed bougie, but when I did start incorporating it into my routine, it was like a mindless, brainless thing that I just did every time I washed my hair. Instead of grabbing the terry cloth towel, I grabbed the microfiber towel that incrementally over time improved the health of my hair. Another easy swap is swapping out your brush. I don't know about you, but I grew up in the age of the petal brush with those really stiff bristles. I remember the pain of ripping through the tangles in my hair, thinking that I just had bad hair that got tangly, and I almost needed to punish my hair for the tangles, that I didn't have time for tangles, and that if I could just rip through these tangles, then my hair wouldn't be tangly. Turns out I was actually causing more damage to my hair, which over time made it more prone to tangles. By being rough with my tangles, I was making my tangles worse without realizing it. Swapping out your hairbrush for a very flexible, bendy bristle brush will incrementally over time improve the health of your hair. Any old wet brush will do. I personally have loved the Perfect Hair Care towel, which is a microfiber towel, and the brush that you can buy in a combo set, or the new curl defining brush. Oh my gosh, this brush has changed my life. Really love the Bounce Curl brushes, really enjoy wet brushes, really enjoy the Perfect Hair Care wet brush. These are all the options that I think anyone with any type of curl would benefit from using. I know we're keeping this video pretty simple and pretty basic. If you've been here on my channel before, this is nothing you haven't heard, but I know that there are new people every day discovering the fact that they do not have bad, straight, frizzy hair. They actually have wavy, curly hair. It is becoming far more common with people with looser curl patterns with wavy hair to put the flat iron down and to start scrunching their hair and seeing what it can actually do. I am really grateful to the coworker who came in and told me about this thing called the Curly Girl Method, and that is why I am still here on the internet doing everything I can to be as helpful as humanly possible to you so that you can figure out your hair. That is why I'm here. I'm trying to help you out, because when I stopped fighting my hair and treating my hair like it was just bad hair and loving it and nurturing it and caring for it, it did this weird thing in my soul. It unlocked the deepest self-acceptance I have ever known. I went from being an incredibly shy, self-conscious person to having confidence and being able to finally accept how I am made. I no longer got so frustrated with the fact that I have ginormous ears, or that my nose is a little bit crooked, or that I have freckles, or that my hair is wavy. Instead, I started to love all of these things about myself because I could see what embracing and loving on my hair could do. So don't let anyone out there tell you you do not have curly hair because it's wavy. Waves are a type of curl pattern. Don't let any brand out there make you feel bad for how your hair looks air dried product free. If your hair looks really poofy and frizzy when it's air dried product free, congratulations. You are with the majority on this one. You just have wavy hair that is special and so unique to you, and you have the pleasure and joy of figuring out how to bring out the best qualities in it. As always, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.